I'm going to be making Valakka Karmudu or raw banana fry in my Vengalavanai. I've already used it once, therefore it looks brown. Turning on the heat, I've got my masala box or anjara patti as it's called ready, and let this heat for about 30 seconds to a minute. What I've got here is I've just sliced my raw bananas and marinated them, if you can call it, with some salt, turmeric and sambar powder. You could also add pepper powder if you want. I just have had salt and turmeric and sambar powder, and I've added a little bit of sesame oil and mixed them. And this is about an hour. I've also done it, marinating it for 10 minutes, but this is here with me for about an hour. I've got my sesame oil. I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of oil in this. And then I'm going to temper them with standard spices, mustard, allow it to splutter. I like the crackling sound of mustard. Urad dal, I don't use the skinned one, I have the skins on, and I usually use the ones with skins on. And I've got chana dal, which is Bengal gram, udatam parpu and kadala parpu. Saute them. The next is hing or ingu or asafoetida. I'm quite generous with that. I've got some curry leaves that have sort of become a powder in the refrigerator, but you could add fresh curry leaves. I don't have them with me. And saute them. And that's about it. I'm going to add this marinated mix into this whole thing and just coat. Feels like you're in a temple. I'm going to allow this to just sort of stay like this for about 1 minute. And of course I have my timer going on here. So I'm going to watch for a minute. About a minute later, I'm just going to put this on a little smaller flame. Cover this. I'm not adding any water because the moisture in the banana is good enough for it to sort of cook itself, and it's going to stay like this anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes or even 10 minutes, and then you can remove this and adjust for spices if need be, and that's it. It's ready to consume. You're going to see this moisture all over the lid. After about 10 minutes, you can again give it a stir. Of course, taste one of these. Adjust for salt and spices if need be. I don't need to adjust. I find it pretty fine. And that's about it. This is how it's going to look because I made a batch before. This is my second batch. So this is how it looks, and it's pretty tasty and yum, and goes really well with your tair sadam or yogurt rice or curd rice, and it goes well with sambar sadam. And that's it. I keep it covered. You can keep it open. Either ways, it works fine. So that was a very simple Valakka curry or raw banana curry in a Vengalavanai or a bronze pot. And this is pretty quick to cook, 10 to 15 minutes. Things like carrot get cooked like probably in 7 or 8 minutes. Now I have a Vanai, I also have a Noradi. I switch between the two. So I really hope you had some quick fix, yummy side dishes or whatever for your thing. And of course, this is sustainable. It's traditional, and it's got the ethnic charm that gets added to your kitchen. Have fun making it.